Greetings everyone. Welcome to Code Leaks. This is Mariam Anwar. Before getting into the video, I would like you to visit our website. It contains quite helpful stuff regarding different software technologies like HTML, CSS, Python, JavaScript, and many more. Today's video tutorial is about how to get URL parameters with vanilla JavaScript. URL parameters are also called query string parameters or URL variables. They are used to send small amounts of data from page to page or from client to server via a URL. They can contain useful information like search queries, link referrals, product information, user preferences, and much more. There are different methods to get URL parameters in different frameworks and also in regards of client and server side. In this video, we will learn getting URL parameters with vanilla JavaScript. So now let's get started with simple HTML code. Here I am just giving the basic HTML tags. In the title tags, get URL parameters. Next step we have body tags. Inside body tags, I will be giving the H2 level heading as code leaks, and afterwards I'll move to the paragraph. In paragraph tags, there is one just simple line that is click the button to get URL parameters. Okay, we will add a button on the screen for method get parameters upon clicking the button, and I will be naming it as get URL parameters. Here I am just running my simple HTML code, and we have browser here. We will check if our HTML code is running fine or not. I'm opening the console, and in the console there is error because we haven't defined the button method yet. As you can see on the screen, I am adding the dummy parameters in the URL. As an example, there is question mark as separator, page is equals to product, and the sign of ampersand. Item number is 6785. They are just the dummy parameters. Getting back to our code, we will now define the JavaScript tags, and inside the tags, I will be defining the function that is get parameters with the key as null. And now the current URL we will be taking as window.location.search. Okay, this is one command. And now let's create variable. Before the URL gets processed, it needs to be passed in the constructor to do this. Here I am using the for loop with the entries method. The entries method of this object returns an iterator with the key value pairs. This can be used to get all the parameters in the URL, which can be used as required. Save the changes and refresh the page. In the output upon clicking the button, we get the required results. You can see we have got key as page and value as products. And same for the item number. Now what if we want to access the value of specific parameters? This is very simple. We just need to add two extra lines in our previous code. This is actually done by using get method. I will use the if statement here, and lastly we need to add return keyword. Now save your changes and refresh the page. I am just going to write few commands to get the specific parameters. Here I am writing window.location.search in order to get the parameters in URL. Second, I am using get parameters method, and inside method I am providing the key as item number. It is returning me null. Just because the key is not exactly the same it was mentioned in the dummy parameters. Writing the exact keyword, I am getting the required results. And next is get parameters, a page, and the result is products. Okay, have you seen how simple that was? So this is how we get URL parameters with vanilla JavaScript. Okay, so that's all for today's topic. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share. And yes, press the bell icon for latest updates.